Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Dismantling the Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage is necessary for moving or storage. This massive toy takes up a lot of room. You need to follow specific steps to avoid breaking the plastic clips. First, clear all the cars from the tracks. Remove any extra orange track pieces attached to the sides. Locate the top piece of the tower. This is often a shark or a gorilla head. Pull it straight up to remove it. Next, focus on the elevator sections. These snap together firmly. Look for the small plastic tabs on the back of the tower. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently press these tabs. Pull the sections apart one by one. Do not force them or the plastic will snap. After the tower is down, move to the side ramps. These usually slide out or unclip from the main frame. Keep track of which side they belong to. Now you can work on the base. The base is made of several large plates. Flip the base over to see the locking mechanisms. Press the buttons or tabs to slide the plates apart. If your model has a garage door or a gas station, remove those small parts last. Place all small screws and connectors in a plastic bag. Tape the bag to one of the large plastic pieces. This keeps everything together for the next time you play. Store the long track pieces in a sturdy box so they do not bend. Your garage is now ready for a move or the closet. Always work slowly to keep the toy in very good shape for years.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.